O-rings, seals, and gaskets among other components start to deteriorate as engines age. They become less capable of carrying out their many tasks, including one that involves keeping oil sealed inside the engine. Finding a small pool of oil on the garage floor is one of the classic indicators that a car is getting older. Today I will tell you about the high mileage oil and try to answer the question of when to use it. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. High mileage oil is made to address some problems that develop as a car ages. Special additives and seal conditioners found in high mileage oils cause important parts like engine gaskets, seals, and O-rings to expand. Once these parts have dispersed, their functionality is recovered and these parts once more keep oil from leaking out of the engine. When is the best time to switch to high mileage oil? One major factor, which has to do with the kinds of driving conditions the vehicle operates under, should be taken into account when figuring out the best time to switch to a high mileage oil. In general, a similar vehicle driven primarily on the freeway may be ready for this type of oil much later than a vehicle primarily used in city driving conditions. This is because city driving is known to cause more wear and tear on an engine's components due to all the stops and starts. However, it's time to think about whether a vehicle might be ready for such a lubricant if it has a little over 75,000 miles on it. This is especially true if the car has a history of poor maintenance or is currently dripping oil. The benefits: using high mileage oil comes with two valuable advantages. Better performance in terms of fuel efficiency is the first advantage. The second advantage of using high mileage oil is the absence of unsightly oil puddles on the driveway, garage floor, etc. There are numerous additional significant advantages as well. Their significance comes from the fact that by extending a vehicle's lifespan, owners can get the most out of each new car they buy. These advantages include safeguarding the engine itself and less wear and tear on engine parts. The latter happens as a result of special additives present in high mileage oil, which help stop sludge and other undesirable deposits from forming. The frequency of oil changes for a vehicle can frequently be decreased by using this type of additive. This is so that the unique high mileage oils can last longer than standard motor oil. When someone other than the owner changes the oil, there can be significant financial savings from less frequent oil changes.